cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
I just hung my sheets out and they've fallen down. That sucks, but the sunset looks pretty. Don't we just love this? This is like my editing top. But I just wanted to pop in here and say that, as you can see by the title, this video is a day trip to Noosa, which me and Tommy did when we were still living in Brisbane. So this video was filmed before the Sydney video, which was my latest upload. But I did want to get that one up sooner, so that's why this video has had to wait. So my battery just died out there, but yeah, what I was saying was just that this video was filmed when we lived in Brisbane, so before the Sydney video, which is why it might be confusing. So hey everyone, it's Sunday today. Today Tommy finally has a day off, so we're gonna head to Gold Coast. It's already pretty late, it's already like 12:15. The train there is like an hour and 40 minutes, so we're gonna get going as quick as we can. Just packing my bags right now. So we just got off the train. It took about, what, an hour, 40 minutes?
We were on the train in less than an hour, I think.
Oh wow, it felt like it was a long ride. But now we're here. We're gonna take the bus to Burleigh Heads. The sun's not really out anymore, but
It's still hot.
we're gonna go to the beach anyway.
It still feels super hot. Like just anywhere we can get in the ocean. The ocean.
Yeah, we haven't been in the ocean since we handed our camper van back. So like a month now. So we got off at the wrong stop. We got off at this Stockland shopping mall. So we just went in and got ourselves a boost. I got so good. I got the Juicy Sea Bomb. It's like a new one, but it's really good.
I have no idea what I got. What did I get?
Watermelon something.
Wonder melon. Oh, it's good. It's gonna
like
bring me to life.
Look. See it right there. What are you doing? Oh, it's for Australia Day. Ah, so cute. Oh. Hello. Happy Australia Day. Happy Australia Day. Oh. It's Australia Day and we've just taken the train to Nambour and now we're about to take a bus all the way to Noosa. And we also went to pick up a drone, so I just bought a drone, which is really exciting. We're gonna test it out in Noosa. Here's the drone. We got the DJI Mavic Air, which is discontinued now. Just checked into our hostel. We're at a hostel called Horse Lodge. And we just got this 4-bed dorm to ourselves because, again, there's like no one here during COVID. So there's no aircon, but there's a fan.
I'm thinking that we do our bed trick here. Here.
And this is really cute. We've got like this outside little area and it's like jungle vibes out here, and there's a little outdoor area we can have breakfast. Super cute. Our plan is now to head down to the beach, get the last few hours of the sun, practice with the drone, get a few shots hopefully. Just getting a little snack before we go to the beach. We're so hungry. We got a little snack for now, and then we're gonna have some proper dinner later. Oh, it looks good. And we got the mayo herb dip. It's really nice. So we're just sitting here on the beach. It's so good to be back on the beach. We're trying the new drone for the first time. The sun's about to set.
Okay guys, we're going for, oh, I just did a U. I told it to do a U. I just did this.
Oh my god.
You're in the air.
How do you stop it? Bye-bye. So we're on the beach. We got up for sunrise. It's currently like 5 o'clock-ish, I'm pretty sure. We're just going to get some cool shots of the drone. Most of the sunrise is behind the clouds.
I think it's going to be a nice sunrise.
We're going to go for a dip. some shots of Noosa right now. It's super cool. It can do some like really cool things. So we're just trying out all the features at the moment. So we've just taken some cool drone shots and it's like 7 o'clock now. So we're gonna head back to the hostel, make some breakfast, charge up the drone batteries a little bit more, because then we're going on the national park walk and we're gonna go see the fairy pools and some other things, I guess. So we got some burnt toast from the free food section and 2 eggs. It looks like nothing. Yum yum.
Yeah, I tried to not burn yours. This was like the attempt at not burning. I think like the toaster that they have here is like from the
blame the
depths of hell.
toaster. Blame the toaster. Tommy fried up some onion as well, so we have that on our little egg toasts, and we're eating brekkie with a view.
It's like on the side of the Noosa rainforest, like through there is where the Everglades are.
Speaking of the Everglades, that's also something that you can do in Noosa, but we haven't booked on a tour. But you can like kayak down the Everglades, and you've done it, haven't you?
Kayak? You said that very posh actually. Kayak.
Kayak. And you can do like an overnight, so you like kayak to your camp, right? And you like tent, and it's proper like
That's exactly what I did, yeah.
Outdoorsy. I've seen it on Unjaded Jade's YouTube video. And also I think lots of things you can do here, like you can take a surf lesson, you can rent surfboards, you can rent like stand-up paddle boards.
You can also get to Australia Zoo from here. You can get to Fraser. Literally everyone stays in Nomads just down the road and then takes the tour.
Yeah, that's like a party hostel, right?
I think it used to be when there was people here.
Yeah, now not so many people. Like we're in this hostel, we've seen maybe like 2 people here. But yeah, now we're gonna eat breakfast. What time is it?
7:30.
7:30, and then we're gonna head on the national park walk, which is a must do when you're here, and the best thing, it's for free.
And we'll get some cool shots of that later.
So we've just finished up our breakfast, and now we've already used all 3 of the batteries for the drone, so we just put them on charge in our room, and we have this room for another 2 hours until 10 AM for checkout. So they're just on charge down there, and we're sitting on the balcony now, and we bought lots of wine yesterday for Australia Day that we didn't end up drinking because we wanted to get up early for the sunrise. So we're just gonna try and lighten the load for our bags for today.
Maybe drink some. Maybe not.
Maybe.
I'm more concerned about carrying it around, so
Yeah.
can you drink it?
Oh, baby! Oh, you really surprised me. They actually fit you. That's so weird. He's wearing my trousers. Why are you walking with your hands like that?
It's me, Becca. Just me, Becca.
I don't do that. You do that too. You look sexy, baby.
We're going into town.
We're going to look at the shops.
Oh no!
You're gone now, or you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.
But we ended up going straight to the beach earlier just because all the shops were closed because it was before 10. But now it's after 10, we just checked out and we're gonna go grab something small to eat, I think. And then we're gonna make our way down to the fairy pools.
Maybe go check out the river, and then we gotta go home.
Yeah, we haven't actually checked how to get home yet, like when the transport goes, so we're gonna have to check that. So we're at Cyber Bros. I've been here before. I really like their smoothie bowls. We both just got the Ain't Nothing butter and they're so good. It's like,
that's a generous bit of peanut butter as well. It's good.
It's got cacao and peanut butter. You can choose your toppings. It's so yum.
You got the kiwi, I got the watermelon, right?
Yeah, so we were on our way to the fairy pools when we heard them talking on the speaker about an animal, like stay clear from the animal, we know it's interesting, blah blah blah. And I overheard the guys at our hostel today say that there was a whale shark here on the beach, like really close. So we got the drone out and we tried to find it, and it took us ages to like, I could see it with my eyes, but it was hard to see like on the drone, but we finally found it and we got a shot of it thanks to Tommy. So it's going to be interesting.
It's been so hard.
It's really hard to see where you are because like all of the surfaces look the same, but it's going to be interesting to see what it looks like on the laptop. That is so exciting. Like our second day with the drone, and we filmed a turtle just now and the whale shark, but we almost like crash landed in the sea because the GPS function was like not working for some reason. I'm not sure why. Going for a little stroll along the little shops here in Noosa. Yeah, it's a bit small maybe. I don't know. Yeah, looks good though.
What have you found?
I think it's got little cherries on it. But they're all too big for me. We're on the National Park walk. We're at the Boiling Pot right now, which is this one down here. There's a few surfers out. We're just going to walk to the fairy pools. You can make this walk like a 10-kilometer walk if you want, but we don't have time for that, so we're not going to do that today. In the rainforest here, you can see koalas. So we're just coming up to Tea Tree Bay here.
Yeah, this is like my favourite beach in Noosa. Like you get the really long beach, like all the surfers that like really want to surf and get some cool like longboard waves. This is it. In this little part to the right of the beach, I've seen a few koalas.
So we just passed Granite Bay and now you get to this. It's not signed because it's like a secret spot, but you just head down the rocks here. And down there at the fairy pools there's one small one and one bigger one. We're at the big fairy pool now. The water is so clear.
Yeah, you can see right to the bottom down.
It's really nice. And the waves coming in there, and then I think around the corner here is the smaller one.
So clear. How was your second drone experience?
Really stressful. Wasn't going where I wanted to go. So we just got back from the fairy pool walk. I am so red in my face, guys. I should have been wearing a hat and put some more sun cream on. I just put sun cream on like this morning and then I totally forgot about it until we were at the fairy pools. But we got some cool drone shots there. That was amazing. And I tried to get some of Tommy, but oh, it was so stressful flying it there. Like, we're by the river, which is really nice. Sorry, we're taking the bus back, sadly, in like an hour. So we just went to the hostel, picked up our stuff, charged up the batteries. Yeah, we've had to charge them up like 3 times today. I guess switch to the drone shots of the river. we got the snacks and they're all gone. One bumpy bus ride and a train ride later, and it's like 9:20 and we're just arriving in like 10 minutes, hopefully. Are you okay, Andrew? He's fallen asleep. Thanks for coming with us on this lovely journey. I've got aloe vera moisturizer in my face because it's so red from today, but we're finally back. Well, finally, we did not want to leave Noosa, but we're back at our hostel now because Tommy has to work tomorrow.
Oh, I don't want to work tomorrow.
Sorry for saying that. It's currently 10 o'clock and we're gonna watch a new Netflix show. It was Bridgerton. And yeah, the weekend was amazing. We're so happy that we went.
Oh my god, yeah.
It's only like from Brisbane, I guess it was like 3 or 4 hours on the train. Well, train and bus, which isn't like too bad if you have a Go card. I think it cost us like total there and back like $38 each.
Yeah, that's not bad, really.
Not bad. I don't know, there's something with Noosa. It's like such a nice vibe. It's so much,
healthy.
In my opinion, so much nicer than the Gold Coast. Like, you could get to the Gold Coast, which has like massive beaches, in an hour and 40 minutes.
Which we did, but
but Noosa's just different. We're overall happy with our drone. We did on the last like lake thing, we were gonna try out, or Tommy wanted to try out the boomerang, and it flew into the tree. But it was fine because the tree was like short, so we managed to get it out. We've actually got it on film.
Yeah, show
when
that
it crashed in, and my face is just like, what's going on? But yeah, it like trimmed the bush, so
yeah.
We've got a grass.
But luckily the drone was unharmed.
Yeah, we just went to Subway to get some food. I got the smashed falafel in a grilled wrap, so I'm gonna try that now. We're gonna watch some Netflix and fall asleep because we are exhausted. I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's just so crazy to see how when we were here we had no idea we were gonna move to Noosa, which if you guys aren't following me on Instagram you'll be really confused right now, but if you follow me on Instagram you'll know that we did end up moving to Noosa, which was where we holidayed to in this vlog. And the next vlog you will see us moving to Noosa finally. Oh my god, I feel like I've been promising Noosa vlogs for so long, but yeah, they're finally coming. I'm so sorry for the wait. I've just had so much content to edit, but yeah, I'm working really hard on getting these videos up for you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Like this video if you're still enjoying these vlogs, and if you have any other video requests please put them in the comments, and yeah, follow my socials if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Kind of honesty that will always stay. Don't ever let him bring you down.